DOGE USDT Overview. Signal cost. This signal and analysis is provided in exchange for your like, comment, share, and subscription. Trading style, spot. Target time frame, approximately 1 month between take profit targets. Entry levels, 0.10145 to 0.13719. Take profit targets. Target 1, 0.21275. Target 2, 0.24744. Target 3, 0.27280. Target 4, 0.29442. Target 5, 0.33490. Stop level, 0.06242. The secret to success in trading. Look carefully. Don't rush. Trade with simple lines, trend lines, price channels, support, and resistance. Important recommendation. After reaching each take profit target, move your stop loss to your entry price or the last take profit price to protect your profits and limit losses. Entry strategy. Be sure to enter after a pullback. Disclaimer. This analysis is provided for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice. We wish you successful trading.